You are going to love the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, remote engine start, heated seats, navigation system, air conditioning, cruise control, hands-free link system, auto headlight on/off. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.